jQuery makes it easier to make any sort of AJAX calls, and it's got all these AJAX functions built in to the library. So we will be using basically jQuery AJAX functions to perform AJAX calls. To start with, let's open our JS folder, our basket.js file, and we start with the $sign, open and close bracket, and then we type in between the brackets, we type document. After this, ready.ready function, open curly brace and semicolon right at the end. Now, as you may remember, if we open classes folder and our basket class, as you may remember, our link add to basket has class add to basket assigned to it. So let's use this class. And first of all, we're going to check if this class exists in the document. So if $sign and in between the brackets dot add to basket length is more than 0, which means if it has been found on a page, then if we copy this line here, add to basket dot click, on click we want to execute the function, and then semicolon right at the end. First of all, we're going to create a few variables. So first variable will be called trigger, and we'll assign the instance of our link to it. So simply $sign and in between brackets this. Then variable param, and this will equal trigger, which means our add to basket link, dot attribute rel. If we open our basket.php, as you may remember, our rel attribute will store the session ID concatenated with the underscore and ID which has been generated here. Then next variable will be the item, and that will be param dot split, and we're going to be splitting the value populated from the rel attribute with the underscore, in which way we're going to create an array which will be assigned to this variable item. So this will basically be an array, and obviously we're going to have 0 index will be session ID and 1 index will be ID itself. Okay, now that we've created these variables, we can start with our AJAX. So $sign AJAX, an opening brace, normal one, and then curly one. After this, semicolon, and right at the end we're going to type return false, so that when you click on the link, the page doesn't scroll up, doesn't jump up, doesn't reload, nothing happen, nothing like this happen. So it's basically, if we save this file now, if we go back, refresh the page, if I scroll down, click on add to basket link, you can see now nothing happens. Normal behavior for the link, when you click on this, it's just page jumps up to the top, but because we've applied this return false, it just stays where it is. If we comment this line, save the file, go back, refresh, and now if I click on this file, you can see it jumps back to the top. So if we go back, uncommented, and in the next video we're going to create an AJAX call.